What's going on, people? It is your boy, Mr. Noland. We are going to go ahead and do a test review over Teak 6.3D, which is integer operations. So we will be adding, subtracting, multiplying, and dividing integers, positive and negative whole numbers. All right, number one. Hassan used a gift card to buy a pair of jeans for $30 and two pairs of socks for $7 per pair. The expression shown represents the total change in the balance of the gift card in dollars. Here's the expression right here. What integer represents the total change in the value of the gift card in dollars? Well, guys, do y'all see how this 2 is attached to a parenthesis? That means you have to multiply. It's the distributive property. A positive times a negative is a negative. Now, if you owe $30 and you borrow another 14, that means you now owe 44. There's your integer, which is D. All right, number 2. Julie had $237 to spend. She returned a calculator and received a $128 refund. Guys, if you get a refund, that means you get money back. That is a positive number. You get that cash back. So you have to add it. That's 15. 3 plus 2 is 5, plus 1 is 6. So now we have $365. But then it says she bought a chair. Guys, if you're buying something, that means you're spending money. You're losing the money. So how much does she have at the end? She has $303. That is it. All right, number 3. What is the value of the expression shown? Guys, notice the number is attached to the parenthesis again. Distributive property means to multiply. A positive times a negative is a negative. 4 times 2 is 8. We also said on the next piece it's illegal to have a double sign back to back. Since the signs are different, it just becomes the minus sign. And now notice the numbers attached to a parenthesis, so we have to distributive property multiply. A positive times a negative is a negative. 3 times 8 is 24. Well, guys, those are ninjas. Those are ninjas. And those are ninjas. They're negative ninjas. Do the negative ninjas fight each other? No, they combine for a big family reunion. So this is negative 24 minus 10 is negative 34. 34 ninjas and 8 more ninjas would be negative 42, or you have 42 ninjas. That's what we were looking for there. All right, number 4. A team of 4 players competed in a golf contest. The names and scores of the players on the team are shown in the table. The team score is the sum of all the scores. What is the team score? Now, guys, I would start with the positives. 3. What is 3 minus 1? Well, that's 2. So I've used the 3 and I've used the minus 1. Now, what is 2 minus 2? Well, that's 0. Where'd you get the minus 2 from? Right here. Well, now if you have 0 and you subtract 4, you would have negative 4. That's your answer. You're done. All right, number 5. Jamie bought 7 movie tickets for $6 each and spent $15 on snacks. He paid for these charges using his debit card. The change in the balance of his checking account can be represented by the expression shown, which integer represents the total change in the balance of Jaime's checking account. Again, guys, number attached to a parenthesis, distributive property, multiply. Positive times negative is negative. 7 times 6 is 42. So you owe $42, and then you owe another $15. That means you owe $57. That's what we're looking for. Alright guys, I hope this video helps. Good luck on your retest, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.